So this is the Northern Star 4037 floor plan. Again, you've got 3 others to choose from. Check out the beautiful Sahara exterior, 2 other standard optional exteriors, or you can go custom. Nice big front storage compartment, and then this is what I love, and you're gonna love too, 3 pass-through compartments. We've got the optional exterior TV, one of those things that I love. I always tell everyone that they need to purchase that. Pegboard compartment here, another nice storage compartment, and our chassis batteries. Let's go check out the 4037 from the inside. I don't know about you, but I absolutely love this interior. This is the NOLA interior package. You have a couple others that you can choose from, but I love this interior paired with our chiffon upper cabinets in the shaker style, and then dusk is the contrasting two-tone, the lower cabinet. I just think with this floor, with the furniture, everything just blends and works so well together. So I love this. Love that again that we have the bunk. These little spots right here are where your ladder hook into that bunk. So you just bring that down. Powered bunk gives you a little extra seating. Sleeping area. Then we've got our theater seating that we've optioned in. Again, the power and the USB right there on the side. So you just sit back, relax, have a drink, storage here. And then again, as you're seeing through all the Newmar product, we've got the great LCD panels where we can control the light functions, the TV lift that's directly across from us. We've got our sleeper sofa here, storage above, nice, beautiful solid surface countertops, again with our splash guard here. And then we've got the pop out here. So we're gonna extend that countertop work area, which is really nice. Plus we get the full extension drawers, 2 of those. Moving into the kitchen, we've got our 3-burner gas stove with 3 big drawers below that for storage. And then storage below the sink, our flip down, and our little spice drawer here. Great single bowl, nice big stainless steel sink with the sink covers, residential faucets. Love the faucets, love the backsplash, beautiful shaker doors. So many details here in this entry-level diesel. I just love it. Convection microwave oven, another little spice cabinet, more storage, adjustable shelf there across from our booth dinette. So we're going to have storage below each seating area here. Here we have our lovely booth dinette that also is a sleeper. So you're going to put that table down, bring in an extra cushion. You've got 2 more sleeping areas. And check out that nice, big, huge window. Love it. And they open, so you can get a nice cross breeze. You've got the kitchen window there. Then we have our half bath with the pivot door. Again, as small as these half baths are, that pivot door really gives you extra space when you're inside and you shut the door. Lots of space behind the medicine cabinet. Our vessel sink, more storage. The dustpan. Check out that nice storage there. Storage above. Got our fan. And then of course we've got our breaker boxes, wiring panel. Across from that we've got great pantry here. Check out that nice big pantry that you get. Our double door French door, refrigerator and freezer. Moving, and here we have it again. Again, no more KIB panel, the nice LCD panel here, tanks, auto gen start, AC, our lights, and we can pair our phone so we can control it globally. Coming into the master, first of all, I love, again, the interior package. Check out all the details. The dark wood over here, then we have the uppers that are light with the dark trim, king size bed, nightstand on both sides, and check it out. You've actually got space to make your bed without like ripping your rings off, which I love. Storage. below, we've got our extra cushion there for our dinette sleeper. And then the wardrobe set up here, another extra 110 outlet, our TV, emergency exit there, another wardrobe, 5 drawers, plus our AV cabinet that you can see, nice deep drawers. As I step into the master bathroom, we're going to have another wardrobe hanging area here, and then 2 more compartments. Now I love this shower. Again, you're going to have that extra seat, which is really nice, and then our vanity there, medicine cabinet with lots of storage behind that. And again, notice the two-tone effect. So we've got the dark cabinet with the lighter here. It makes it feel very, very residential to me. Nice full extension drawers again. Optional washer and dryer. Optional emergency egress door. Like towel bar, towel bar, towel bar. Love that.